Good day, I will now be performing the laboratory exercise 2. The materials for the exercise are the following: the Arduino Uno R3, the USB cable, the red LED, 33 ohms resistor, 10k ohms resistor, push button switches or tactile switches, breadboard, connecting wires, and a laptop with the Arduino software IDE. For the assembly, we will first locate the following pins. Connect a wire to the 5V pin and the other end of the wire to the negative power rail of the breadboard. Connect another wire to the GND pin and the other end to the positive power rail of the breadboard. Connect the positive terminal of the LED to the 330 ohm resistor, and the other leg of the LED is connected to the common GND line. Connect one pair of legs of the push buttons to a leg of the 10k ohm resistor, with the other legs of the resistors connected to the common 5V line. Connect the push buttons output pins between the legs of the resistor to the digital pins 8 and 9. Connect one pair of legs of the push buttons to the common ground. The other end of the 330 ohm resistor goes to the Arduino digital pin 3. Connect it to the laptop using the USB cable. Open the Arduino software IDE and enter the code in the PDF. Here I already encoded the codes and just copied paste it back in the IDE. When the left button is pushed, the LED turns on, and when the right button is pushed, the LED turns off. When one of the buttons is pushed, the LED remains in one phase, on or off, until the other button is pushed. For post-lab question 1, we add additional components, one green LED and one push button. With the additional components also comes additional connecting wires and resistors to make the circuit work. Modification in the code is also done to compensate for the additional components in the circuit. We assign new digital pins for the new green LED and push button components in the circuit. We also set the green LED and push button as digital output and input respectively. In the bottom, we introduce a new if statement that will make the green LED turn on if the right button is pushed. One push button in the left turns on the red LED, another in the right turns the green LED, and the last in the center turns off both the LEDs. For the post-lab question 2, we will move the connecting wire placed in pin D3 to D7, and the connecting wires placed in pin D8 and D9 to D5 and D6 respectively. Modification in the code is also done. The part of the code that we should change are the integer values in the int functions, which assigns digital pins to the LED and buttons. We should change 3, 8, and 9 to 5, 6, and 7 respectively. After uploading the code to the Arduino, you can now see that the circuit works with the modification in the code. That would be all. Thank you.